Hi everyone, Rene with whyamigreen.com, and today it's time for me to try one of my red habaneros. Now these are rated from, what is it, I believe like 500, right around 500 Scovilles. Hotter than the Thai pepper I did the other day, so I have no idea what this is going to be like, but let me go ahead and probably shouldn't do this without gloves, but I'm going to cut it in half to show you what it looks like inside. And you can see it has quite a few seeds in it. Num, 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 num. I'm getting really nervous about it. And here's the other half, which I shouldn't be getting all over my fingers. Wear gloves when you do these. I've never tried one of these, so I have no idea what they're like. Ready? It smells pretty hot. Here we go. I'm scared. Okay. Whew. I'm getting my sinuses already. I'm only eating half of it. So far, so good. Nice taste. Getting hot. Oh my gosh. I should have not done this. There he goes. There he goes. I'm not going to do the other half. Oh my gosh. My word. That's a hot pepper. What the heck? Oof. Oh, let me cut the stem off anyway. I didn't plan on eating the whole thing, but that's what's left. That's some good eatings. Red, can't even say it. Red habaneros. My mouth is on fire. My tongue, don't really feel it anymore. 3 minutes into it, I'm not hyperventilating, just trying to get cold air on my tongue. Lamar's breathing. Oh my gosh, that's hot. Seems to be hotter now than when I started. Actually, I could feel it going down my neck. I probably shouldn't have swallowed it, right? Got a big piece of it stuck on the inside of my tooth. Of course, I'm trying to pull it out with my tongue, and that's making my tongue burn more. I did the Thai peppers on camera there about a week ago. A couple weeks before that, excuse me, I did a Scotch bonnet, and that was ridiculously hot as well. Excuse me. Nose is watering, mouth on fire. Haven't started crying. I could feel the water tear ducts staring. Oh, I shouldn't really be touching my eyes, huh? Ooh, yeah. One thing, when you do this, don't touch your eyes after you eat a hot pepper. Not a good idea. It burns. It'd be kind of like tear gas. Having a hard time swallowing. I say a lot of these peppers are even worse after about 5 or 10 minutes than they were when you first took them. The back of my throat from here, whew, I think I started from here, going back there. My thought process is the same. I can still think. Let's see, 1 + 1 = 7. That's the new math. I could do the old math, but the new one today is a little tougher. So, it appears I'm going to live. Thank you, Lord, I'm going to live. So, I just wanted to do a little challenge myself. I had this pepper, and I've actually had it for a couple days, and I wasn't going to do the hot pepper tasting. I was going to chicken out, and I said, you know, it takes a lot to grow these things. Whew. And if I don't do it, I'm going to end up throwing it away. And I don't like to waste stuff, especially things that I grew. So, 1 red habanero done. I challenged myself, and I won. And I'm still sitting, not standing. So I'd like to thank you all for watching. Leave a comment below if you've done anything hot like this. And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye now.